back, my friends. I bought this bike rear view mirror. This is a rear view camera with a monitor. This is meant for bicycle, and later I found out I can fit that on my motorcycle also and see whether it's useful. This particular thing, it has some clamps, but that is not useful to fit it on motorcycle. I'm going to make new clamps and then fit it on this motorcycle and see whether this is useful. Come on, let's unbox it.
This is a small camera. I'm going to make a small bracket and fit it behind the seat. This is 4.3 inches wired monitor. This got rechargeable battery and also charging port, and the image quality is also very good, so it's very clear. First I made a bracket for camera mount by using a 1-inch pipe. I cut the pipe and bent it like this. After finishing, I drilled a hole and then painted it with a black flat and mounted like this, on the back side. To mount the monitor on the handlebar, I bought two grounding clamps from Home Depot. I started cutting a small steel pipe and drilled 2 holes in it, and then like this, and cut a small section of steel rod and bent it into this shape, and then it looks like this, and tapped one end to mount the pipe, so the pipe will go up and down because that will hold the monitor. So it looks like this. Then I painted with the black flat, and it's time to assemble. First I assembled the grounding clamp, and then the profiles, the support profiles, and it's time to mount the monitor. Monitor has got a clamp. It will secure tightly onto that pipe, and it is highly secured, so I ran the wire from camera to the monitor, and I have a charging port so that I can charge the monitor also. Okay, it's time to take a test ride. So far the image looks quite good. There is no jumping, nothing, and it's very clear. The one difference between the rear view mirror and this monitor, in the rear view mirror the image appears to look nearer, whereas in this it's an actual distance we'll see. If anyone asks me whether it's a must to have this, no, it's optional. If you want, you can have it, and I'm happy with this. everything. Only when I need it I can switch it on. Rest of the time I can switch it off. Guys, thanks for watching. Thank you very much.